Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro with your MacBook. You have to start by click on time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this button, you need to go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And after that, you need to open the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, and you will see them at the device list. And right here we have it. But also we can enter to pairing mode manually. At the bottom of the charging case, we have connectional button near to USB-C port. You need to press and hold this connectional button until this LED light start blinking white. Here we go. And now we enter to pairing mode manually, so you will see these earbuds also at the device list. Now you need to click connect near to it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!